What's up, guys? It's Carlos from Daily Carry Solutions. I'm here with Eric from the Outer Limitless YouTube channel and my buddy Matt from ProTech here at BLADESHOW 2022. Now, I'm no stranger to ProTech and I'm hoping that you guys aren't, but just in case you are, guys, you gotta know every year I come here, they bring it. I gotta tell you, they got some BLADESHOW specials. I usually buy some stuff here. I got the BLADESHOW Runt last year.
Yes, sir.
And I actually replaced it with the production model.
Ooh, that's a good
Runt in 20 CV. And now you guys have a new version.
We do.
That I'm seeing over here with a new scale pattern. So tell me about that one.
Well, sure. Well, welcome to our booth, man.
Hell yeah.
BLADESHOW 2022. Good to see you again.
It's always great to be here.
So this is a new project we've been working on. We do really love to work with our textures. We're a family-run company. We've been in business since 1999. One of our strengths is working with all our in-shop guys and developing new textures, new models as well. This is our new dragon scale texture. It is a long runtime, high precision finish to the knives we've been producing. This is a high-end version that we're doing for the show. It's a limited edition, the dragon scale texture. Still has its little landing pad on the back, so it doesn't, rip up your pants when you put it in your pocket. 20 CV blade, and then a matching mother of pearl button as well. It is really cool just to be able to pull off new textures all the time. We've done plenty of textures in the past. Another one we have is our titanium sprint custom.
Oh, that's nice.
So fully milled titanium. It has the wave pattern to it. It's hard to see in this lighting, but the guys anodize it blue, and then they carefully satin finish everything and double anodize it gold.
It's beautiful.
Matching pearl button. This one has the Vegas Forge spirograph Damascus blade. A fully milled titanium pocket clip, meaning that they take a brick of titanium and then mill that into just the clip itself.
No, you can actually see it from the clip. The moment I saw that clip, I'm like, that is not a production clip. That's not your average little spoon clip that you would throw onto your production.
And every single one of our customs is just as snappy as our production ones as well. They fire hard. Great little pieces. Kind of moving on with the textures, you have it on your Runt. A really successful stippling pattern is our Malibu in bronze. The aluminum bronze has been really good for us as well. Aluminum bronze is about 90% copper, about 10% aluminum, with a few trace elements you see in super steels, and it is a performer as well. It patinas quite easily, but it'll never turn anything beyond black. So you do get to carry it, enjoy it, and it tarnishes and kind of ages as you carry it as well. This one has a Chad Nichols stainless ladder Damascus blade.
Are there other options for blades other than this with this particular
At the show,
handle?
there's not, but we do always make new versions. A stonewash version perhaps, maybe in the future we'll do some worn clip versions as well. We like to play with all the Damascus patterns, all the finishing. That's one of our strengths to our company as well. So, whether you go to our dealers or you come to a show, really every month to every 2 months, we have a plethora of different models. We really move across the line as well.
I'm glad you mentioned that about the dealers because I think you recommended me the dealer that I'm dealing with right now.
Sure, man.
So and by the way, shout out to Switchblade USA, to Didi and the folks over there. Yeah, huge fans of them, and they were referred to me by ProTech. They actually helped me pick up my first Malibu.
Sweet.
So yeah, speaking of Malibus, you got another one over here with what's this? The Operator
this is
series,
the
right?
Operator Malibu. It's a special for the BLADESHOW. It's our first time ever doing it. I would say two of our most popular knives right now is our Operator series, which really means a tritium button, which is a radioactive isotope, combined with the Malibu flipper, which is one of our button lock flippers. Now we combine the two, and this is what you get out of it. So 20 CD blade. Now it is unmarked. There is no logos. It's completely sterile. And then again, the tritium button as well. It is a really cool piece. They are selling out quite quick. I think we're down to maybe 5 or so left.
And now is it just in this one blade shape, or
is
it going to be in the
yes, sir.
as well? Okay. Very nice though.
And then kind of moving on to more one-off and customs. This is more of almost like a mid-tech. The TR3, one of my personal favorite models. You have the glass breaker, the double safety, the deep carry pocket clip. This one's a little bit more jazzed up with an abalone button and a sapphire blue zirconium nitride finish. Wow. It's a super durable coating, and it is really beautiful as well. Right out of the box, it's super blue. But the minute you hit it with any type of oil, it kind of turns more purple as well. It's a really iridescent finish, and I do really appreciate that. I actually bought one of these for myself.
Nice.
Kind of a sucker for anything blue.
So you talked about the coating on that blade, but the blade steel itself on that one?
It's either 154 or S35. This batch here is 154 because of the coating. The traditional TR5 is going to be S35.
So You got to show me that
Customs?
one right there. Yep,
So
got that
BR1,
magic.
it has been a while since we're in the BR1s. We're trying to bring them into production again. This is the tuxedo version, meaning it's a ivory paper micarta, and then a Chad Nichols virus pattern Damascus blade to it. It's a hood and bolster release, which is a back lock with a spring in it. So unless you know what you're doing, it is a secret opener. Very slick little knife.
So you guys catch that?
And then moving on from there, the Terzuola is our new custom line of products. We do have a few here. The BLADESHOW special is the ATCF black heavily textured G10 of MagnaCut DLC blade. MagnaCut being one of the best blade seals out on the market right now. Titanium full milled pocket clip with a nice landing pad so it doesn't eat up your pockets. This is a perfectly balanced and really just all around great knife. Moving on from there, you can go into the customs. We do have a one-off auction piece. This is a combination of a MagnaCut blade, a stainless steel handle, and then fat carbon dark matter blue handles as well.
Wow.
This is a prototype set. We'll see where we move on from there. And it is a super cool piece as well.
So for those that are fortunate enough to be able to go ahead and showface here at
Sure.
BLADESHOW, or fortunate to have proxies that will come in and help out on their behalf, because Knife Bros are Knife Bros.
Absolutely.
Some of these items that are exclusive for the show are going to be available to everybody. But I see two here that we really got to talk about.
Oh, yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and
It really
grab
wouldn't be a
this one.
show without bringing Ultimate Custom, meaning it's the highest end version of a product we can make in our shop, combined with hand engravers that are personal friends of ours. This is a new guy we picked up. This is engraved by Wade Oliver Wilson. So at its core, it's an ATCF Bob Terzuola design, stainless handle, 30 million year old Mastodon. It's a cross-cut section, meaning it's a inner layer of the horn that's cross-cut, and then hand engraved by Wade Wilson, and a Chad Nichols ladder pattern Damascus blade.
Wait, so you said it was hand engraved by Wade Wilson?
Yes, sir.
So Deadpool designed this?
Deadpool on this one.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, not the Deadpool.
All right.
But they share a very similar name.
Nice, okay.
One of our favorite engravers is also Bruce Shaw. So this one's engraved by Bruce Shaw. Same treatment with a stainless handle, Mastodon crosscut inlay. Now this one has a different type of engraving pattern. It also has 18 karat gold inlays, matching anodized gold titanium pocket clip. And it is nice to see the differences in engravers. We do really like to say that these are snapshots in time of the product it represents. You have a combination of the engraver and the type of artwork they do, the designer being Bob Terzuola, the type of artwork we can inflict, even the fossilized Mastodon from 30 million years ago. It really is its own art piece, and we know it's going to outlive all of us here, go on for generations. It's an art piece that you can enjoy, use, carry, and really do whatever you want to do with it, and it will tell a story. And that does mean a lot to us as a company.
Definitely. I mean, functional art takes new form in these, and I mean, you can literally see that knife from every angle, and there's just a new detail that is just there. I mean, you look at the back, the front, the sides, it's amazing.
Last piece?
Yes. Show me that TR3.
Sure.
Piece. Wow.
So this really is a prototype at its core. We got a tester piece from Damascus maker Dion Damascus. His full name is Greg Dion. So this is a 154 core steel. It's been acid etched, so it's a little bit darker. It has a light jacketing of copper, a little bit harder to see in the light, and then a softer clad Damascus on the outside. So traditionally it's called a sanmai. We've called this kumai, meaning copper sanmai.
Kumai.
So you get it as a performing knife, you get a really nice performing steel at the very edge where you need it, and then you get the looks of the copper and the Damascus on the outside.
And the protection of the outer layers for obviously for corrosion,
sir.
that sort of thing.
And then actually, fun fact, this has also been hand ground by Mike Erie as well. Mike Erie being a knife maker that's a personal friend of Dave Wattenberg out in Colorado. So a lot of our partners get to work on a project like this. We only have 20 pieces, and we hope to do a little bit more in the future.
That's awesome. I mean, one of the Irie, I guess one of the grinds that he did was for the ProTech Runt from last year. I remember that model, and I actually picked one up from here last year. So it's nice to see him continuing to do work. I know he's done work with you guys for a very, very long time.
He has.
Hopefully he continues, and that you guys continue to pump out some of this awesome stuff.
You know we will, man.
Guys, you're killing my wallet. But in the meantime, I'm gonna have to spend a little bit more. So off the camera, I'm gonna get a little something.
Sounds great.
Might find something for a little $1,000 knife challenge that I have going on with Eric right now.
Okay.
So
I know a guy.
maybe you'll show me some stuff off
All right,
camera.
man. Good to see you.
Always a pleasure, Matt. Thank you.
Thanks, guys.